In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your workflow using n8n, from leveraging pre-built templates to creating a custom setup from scratch. This process is designed to streamline your automation efforts and enhance productivity, whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills. Let's begin with templates, a fantastic way to hit the ground running without reinventing the wheel. Navigate to the n8n website, specifically to the AI or content creation categories. Here you'll find an array of workflow templates tailored for AI agents and various AI-driven tasks. These templates are pre-configured, offering a solid foundation upon which you can build and customize according to your specific needs. They essentially act as a shortcut, allowing you to see how similar tasks have been automated before and providing you with a guide to replicate or modify as needed. However, if you're feeling more adventurous and prefer a hands-on approach, creating a workflow from scratch is the way to go. Start by opening the workflow canvas in n8n. This is your playground where you'll design the entire automation flow. The first essential step here is to add a trigger node. This node is the starting point of your automation, kicking off the entire process. It could be a chat trigger indicating an interaction starts the workflow, or a form submission where data entry initiates the automation. Once you've established your trigger, it's time to introduce the AI agent node. Think of this node as the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating various elements of your workflow in harmony. It serves as the central orchestrator, managing interactions and tasks within your AI workflow. Connect the output of your trigger node to the input of this AI agent node. This connection ensures that once the trigger condition is met, the AI agent is alerted and ready to take action. Next, you'll need to configure the AI agent node settings. Here's where you can tailor the capabilities of your AI. You can opt to use tools like the Google Gemini chat model or any other free options available to you. Make sure to securely connect it using your Google API key, enabling seamless interaction within the workflow. This configuration is crucial as it defines the AI's operational scope and the resources it can leverage to complete tasks effectively. Finally, enhance your workflow by connecting other nodes for specific tools or services that your AI agent can utilize. These might include data processing tools, notification services, or integration points with external applications. Each node you add opens up new possibilities for what the AI can achieve, expanding the workflow's capabilities. By following these steps and customizing them to fit your unique requirements, you can build a powerful, efficient workflow designed to automate and simplify complex tasks. Whether starting from a template or creating from scratch, enjoy the process and the increased efficiency that comes with automation.